It's a fundamental shift in the way in which you deliver, connect, and empower all of the services that you're using in your institutions. And in many ways, that creates a different level of import with the way you think about cloud services. Understanding how to connect services and understand the social implications of them as they land in your institutions. So if you think about the generational shifts, each generation has had this in common. That if you think about making change and fundamentally transforming your institutions holistically, it's about these three things. It's about the environment that you're creating in your institutions, about the process that you go to. One of the things that exists in every one of your campuses, there are islands of excellence, pockets of innovation that are happening in one department, one area, one location, etc. That for some reason isn't scaling across the institution, and process is often one of those routes. Because the individuals responsible, yourselves included, are making magic happen in our institutions. And we've got to apply process to drive change, even though this slide is a little bit hiding. One of the things you'll see here is the notion of people. And for the cloud, fundamentally, we've got to think about the implications of how users use the cloud, how they connect to the way in which they do the work every day inside classrooms, the way in which they land technology to pedagogy, to curriculum assessment, personalized and adaptive learning in our campuses. And as we think about the implications of what cloud services offer, understanding the nuances between process, environment, and people are certainly critically important. And as we think about the services that all of us provide, this generation of user-centric computing is a powerful phenomenon. And in many ways, it's shifted the importance of education as an industry from, in many ways, the back of the technology innovation curve to the front. And many of the things that you're seeing in our universities with student social networking paradigms being pushed out are going to be trends that other industries will embrace. So you'll see other enterprises taking advantage of many of the things that are driving innovation on your campuses today. And that has a phenomenally empowering impact to all of you. Because you should hold all of us accountable, all the leading companies on the stage here, accountable to deliver more value, to deliver more flexible services that are easy to support. And I think many of us are doing that and continue to do that with your feedback. And I have the privilege of visiting schools and universities all over the United States, and I see folks that are struggling in this area with data connected to many different devices. Ask yourselves, how many phones have you lost with pictures on it that never went anywhere beyond your phone? How many places do you have documents and pictures on computers at home or at work, etc.? Those days have to end. We have to find ways to connect users to information and data in collaborative and flexible ways across any different dynamic that they're looking for, whether it's mobile devices, web, or PC. From a Microsoft story, we certainly have a lot in common with the IBM approach that Mike said, but our approach is really one of software plus services. So we think of the cloud as software as a service, almost like electricity. In many ways, our approach supports that. Microsoft has been providing cloud services for over a decade. But what we also want to do is recognize as a paradigm shift from a technology compute platform that the cloud has tremendous connection to existing technologies, existing data, existing on-premise compute paradigms that you're standing up in your environments. And we want to embrace the best of both worlds, provide the richness of user experience in the cloud with the fundamental realities of IT on campus. And that will continue to evolve and continue to see. But what we want to do is bring our services, our technology, and embrace the cloud as a delivery platform, as an aggregation platform, certainly as a way to empower user experiences with existing